Good afternoon. Today is April 15, 2024 Monday, and here are the 3 p.m. STL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the STLs for the 3 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for April 15, 2024 Monday. Here are the STLs for the 3 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Training and Supply Corporation for Monday, April 15, 2024. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for afternoon of April 15, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.